Beginning in July 2021, all UW system employees who are paid monthly, including UW-Madison employees, will be moved to a biweekly payroll schedule. This change is known as single payroll because it standardizes the payroll schedule for all UW employees. This video will provide an overview of the transition to a biweekly payroll schedule for all employees except employees who have a 9-month appointment and do not work during the summer months. While the transition to a biweekly payroll schedule will change your paycheck frequency, many things are not changing. This includes your annual salary, your benefits coverage, how much you pay for benefits, how much annual leave you earn, when you use your annual leave, your Fair Labor Standards Act FLSA designation, which reflects if you are an hourly or salaried employee, and your standard tax withholdings. None of the items listed on this slide will change when you transition to a biweekly payroll schedule. Now let's talk about what is changing. The transition to a biweekly payroll schedule starts in July. Included on the screen is a list of pay periods starting with the partial monthly paycheck in July. Beginning with the first pay period in August, employees will receive paychecks on a biweekly schedule. In 2022, there will be 26 biweekly pay periods per year. You will receive a biweekly paycheck every other Thursday. There are 2 types of benefits that employees chose to have automatically withdrawn from their paychecks. The first of these types are voluntary contributions. The following voluntary contributions pay for retirement. This includes voluntary additional Wisconsin Retirement System contributions, the UW Tax Sheltered Annuity TSA 403B program, and the Wisconsin Deferred Compensation WDC 457 accounts. Not every employee chose to enroll in these programs. Remember, these voluntary benefits contributions pay for retirement. You will pay for voluntary contributions out of every biweekly paycheck. Now let's take a look at the other type of benefits deductions. Benefits deductions pay for your insurance premiums. Types of insurance premiums include health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, income continuation insurance, and accident insurance. Not every employee chose to enroll in these benefits. Remember, benefits deductions pay for insurance premiums. The university processes insurance premium payments twice per month. Benefits deductions to pay for insurance premiums will be split evenly across biweekly paychecks. However, twice a year there are 3 paychecks in 1 month, instead of only 2 paychecks. In months where there are 3 pay periods, the 3rd paycheck will not include these deductions. Your coverage under the various benefits plans will not change. Now that you know the difference between voluntary contributions and benefits deductions, let's look at some key dates in the transition to a biweekly payroll schedule. On June 30th, 2021, employees who are currently paid monthly will receive their last full monthly paycheck for the month of June. This paycheck amount will look similar to the other monthly paychecks you have been receiving. Then, on July 30th, 2021, you will receive a partial monthly paycheck. The partial monthly paycheck on July 30th will only reflect pay for July 1st to July 17th. You will receive your next paycheck on August 12th. This will be your first biweekly paycheck. This paycheck will reflect pay for July 18th to July 31st. Because of the way insurance premiums have been paid so far in 2021, your August 12th paycheck is the only paycheck in 2021 that will not have benefits premiums deducted. However, this check will have deductions for voluntary contributions to WRS, TSA, and/or WDC accounts. Remember, benefits deductions pay for your insurance premiums. Your benefits coverage under the various benefits plans will not change. Voluntary benefits contributions, which pay for retirement, will be taken from the August 12th paycheck. You will receive your next biweekly paycheck on August 26th. This paycheck reflects pay for August 1st to August 14th. The August 26th paycheck has both voluntary contributions and benefits deductions automatically withdrawn. Starting with the August 26th check, most deductions for benefits, such as health, dental, vision, and life insurance, will be split evenly over the first two biweekly paychecks each month. The August 26th paycheck amount will be similar to most of your biweekly paychecks. From August 26th onward, you will receive paychecks on the new biweekly payroll schedule. You will receive your next biweekly paycheck on September 9th. Voluntary contributions and benefits deductions will be taken from this paycheck. This paycheck reflects pay for August 15th to August 28th. You will receive your next biweekly paycheck on September 23rd. Voluntary contributions and benefits deductions will be taken from this paycheck. This paycheck reflects pay for August 29th to September 11th. The biweekly payroll schedule continues for the rest of 2021 and into the future. While the transition period for the biweekly payroll schedule will not start until July 2021, there are actions you can take right now to prepare. First, consider setting aside some savings. Look for ways to prepare for the transition period at the end of June and into August. Remember, June is the last time you will receive a full monthly paycheck. The next paycheck you receive will be on July 30th. This will be a partial monthly check. You will not receive another paycheck until August 12th. The August 12th paycheck will be your first biweekly paycheck. The second action you can take now is to review your personal finances. This includes A, payment due dates. Examples include mortgage, credit cards, utilities, subscriptions, and loan payments. Consider contacting your creditors or service providers and asking them to change the due dates of certain bills. B, direct deposits. If you have your paycheck deposited into multiple accounts, consider updating your information. And C, tax withholdings. If you take an additional flat amount out for taxes, prepare to adjust the amount over 26 paychecks. Tax withholding on a biweekly paycheck is smaller than on a monthly paycheck, but total tax deductions equal the same amount. A third action you can take now is to review your voluntary contributions. If you chose to enroll and selected a flat dollar contribution, it will not be automatically updated with the transition to the biweekly payroll schedule. UW System sent a direct email to employees who have any of these voluntary contributions or withholdings and provided instructions on what to do. A fourth action you can take now and throughout the transition is to monitor your earning statements and personal finances and adjust as needed. Additionally, please make note that the following will automatically update for the biweekly payroll schedule, and you do not need to take any actions. These include benefits deductions, which will be split evenly over the first two biweekly paychecks each month, including deductions for benefits such as health, dental, vision, and life insurance. Health savings account HSA contributions, health opt-out incentive payments received, garnishments such as child support, unpaid court costs, or tax levies will automatically adjust. Agencies will be informed of the paycheck frequency change. Charitable contributions made through payroll deductions, for example, Partners in Giving, and UW-Madison parking and recreation memberships, including bus passes and van pool. As UW-Madison begins the transition to a biweekly payroll schedule, there are many ways you can receive help and additional information. You may call the Office of Human Resources at 608-265-2257 and speak with a payroll specialist. You may also reach a payroll specialist by email. Send emails to 2021 payroll changes at ohr.wisc.edu. To learn more about the transition to a biweekly payroll schedule, visit hr.wisc.edu/single-payroll. On this website are helpful resources that provide additional information about single payroll. Resources include responses to frequently asked questions, a copy of the biweekly paycheck timeline you saw earlier, and a calendar of the biweekly payroll schedule. Another resource on the website is the Preparing for Biweekly Pay, a checklist for UW-Madison employees. The checklist includes actions you may want to take, instructions, and deadlines. For more information on how single payroll will impact you and what actions you may wish to take, visit the Single Payroll website at hr.wisc.edu/single-payroll. Thank you for watching this overview video on UW Systems' transition to a single payroll schedule.